What's up guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to work on our 2016 Honda Civic. In previous video, I have started doing some exterior mods on this Honda Civic. I have installed the front lip, sequential light in the front, in the rear. I have also spoiler installed already. So in this video, what we're going to do is going to install some mods on the side skirt. So I have a lip for the side skirt on the both sides. It's a universal one I bought from the Amazon, and I'm going to try to install it. Let's see how it goes. I will show you exactly how I'm going to install it. I will put the link of this product in the description below so you can check out which product I have used to install on my car. Before we start the video, if you want to see more videos on Honda Civic doing exterior mods and interior mods, installing new stuff on the Honda Civic, please hit the subscribe and also hit the bell icon. That way whenever I upload the new video, you will get the notification and you will not miss out any new video. So now let's open the box. Let's see what it comes with, all the hardware it comes with, and I'm going to figure out how I'm going to install this part, and we will go from there. Before I open the box, what I'm going to do is lift the car from the side. That way I can have a proper access underneath. So if there are any screws or anything to install, it will be very easy. So let's lift the car on the one side. Then we will start unboxing the lip, all the parts, and we will see what it comes with. Okay guys, it comes with all of this. It comes with bunch of hardware, all the screws and some plates to mounting. There's a instruction manual. I don't know how it's going to work for our car. There are two small pieces, two of the long pieces, and the one with the fin which goes to the rear end. And it's in two parts, so one goes to the left and one goes to the right. So let's start piecing all this together and we will see how to mount this. So guys, for the assembly of the lip, it's very simple. So it comes with this long metal plate. So as you can see, I have used those one right here to connect two pieces together like this. And there are like bunch of screws. These are the long one, sharp pointed, and there are small one like this. As you can see, this one goes right here in between. So with the long metal plate and the small screws, all you have to do is, you can see one of the lip got the screw, threaded screw part, and the second lip, it just goes on the top like this. And then all I did, just put that metal plate and then install the screw just like this. Metal plate and then screw on the top. And it's pretty sturdy. It's going to stay. So let's assemble the second piece and we will go from there. So on the stock rocker panel, on the rear end side, this is the rear wheel. As you can see, this is a rubber flapper or something comes on this rocker panel at the end. So we need the flat surface, so we have to remove this. So I have already removed one of the tab from here. I just cut the tab, that way it can easily remove. There is one more here and I'm going to cut it permanently, because anyways we are not going to install this back once our lip is in. So I'm just going to cut the whatever tab is that and then remove this flapper. So guys, our lip is a little bit longer than our rocker panel. As you can see, it goes all the way out, so we have to cut it at the front. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the measuring tape, measure from the end, from all the way there to all the way before our front, whatever it's called, lip or something, so we can put our lip on the rocker panel from the behind that part all the way to the end. So guys, I finished the cutting of the lip for the measurement of the rocker panel. So I measured the length of the rocker panel and then put the mark on the lip, and then I use the masking tape to make a straight cut. And to cut the lip, I use the Dremel rotary tool with the cutting disc, and after I finish the cut, I use the sanding tool to smooth out the edges on the both lip. So they are ready for mounting on this side. Finally guys, on the left side our lip is installed. Let me show you how I install this one. So it comes with all this hardware. So there is a metal plate and bunch of screws. So what I did, I used the drill to drill the hole only in the lip, not on the rocker panel itself. So I just drill hole in the lip itself so that this screw can stay, and then I use the impact driver with the Phillips screw bit, use the plate and screw it into the rocker panel. As you can see right here, that's a metal plate and that's a screw, goes straight in. Right here another one, and it just keeps going. And that's how it's so simple to install this slave rails. So let's do it on the other side and complete our project. Finally guys, rocker panel lip on the both sides are fully installed. It looks amazing. As you can see, one on this side, another one right here. It changed the look of the car completely. So installation of these lips are simple. It just takes time because it's a universal lip, so we have to cut the lip to the perfect size. That's why you need an additional tool because of the length to cut the lip. And then other than that, it's really simple. Drill the hole, screw it on, and that's it. This is one of the exterior mods, and it's complete and looks beautiful, and we are going to do much more than this. We are going to install many different things, and it's coming in new videos. If you have any question regarding installation of this lip, just leave the question below and I will try to answer as soon as possible. Finally, our one of the exterior mod is complete, and there are more to come. It will be in future videos. So if you don't want to miss out those videos, please hit the subscribe and hit the bell icon. That way you will get notification. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button below. See you next time.